just a girl. She expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
I'll tell you this reel is stout. Like, Brad ain't gotta worry about feeling wiggly in this one, that's all I'm gonna say. Halale! Listo? Got some sunlight on me now. How's the hook up there, Brad? I'm here. I'm here. Oh no. That'd be pretty good though. Don't you think? ¿Listo, Leo? I finally made it to the height of Brad. Welcome to the world. ¿Listo, Leo? Oh, no, he's on mine. Okay, now, Brad, you're good. He's got in the wrap. You're good. You're looking down, bro. Fold it up. It got hit. It's good. You're on a time lapse, so you probably didn't miss anything. It's like taking a picture every so long. You did like that. Oh, that was funny though. Am I recording? You're straight. Am I recording? Okay. Hey, yours is on. That was funny. Straight down. Am I recording? No. Honestly, no. You got.
And the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy. The wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. A dream of
It's looking better now that we took all the thick out of it.